What if you could unlock the secret design language of nature and bring it into your daily life? Welcome to Biogeometry, the art and science of living in harmony. Biogeometry is more than a method, it's nature's design language. Through years of research, Dr. Ibrahim Karim developed this patented approach to harmonize our environments. The application of biogeometry is guided by the laws of nature, resulting in qualitative environmental energy exchange balance through resonance. Unlike conventional approaches that only measure energy quantities, biogeometry invites us to explore energy qualities. These are the subtle forces that influence our environment, our home, body, mind, and spirit. Through specialized techniques and in-person experiential learning, you'll measure and amplify the vital life force energy. This energy quality connects all living systems with the Earth and the universe. The foundation training reveals how bio, life, geo, earth, and metry, measure, come together. It allows you to open the door to the BG3 energy quality, the unifying, harmonizing force found at the center of the world's sacred power spots. This quality isn't just for the ancient sites. It can enrich your everyday experiences, your work, and your well-being. Join a diverse community in a unique in-person experience. Under the guidance of Dr. Claudia Schembri-Heitmann, you'll learn to detect, measure, and create harmony. In just 6 days, you'll move from the basics of biogeometry to practical techniques. Reserve your spot today and transform the spaces you live and work in with biogeometry. Details: www.balance.com.mt/en/seminars.htm